Well, good morning. Today I am in Rolling Hills and we have got this 3,000 square foot custom built 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage. And it's got a den that is currently used as a bedroom. And this thing is custom to the nines. Let's go check this place out. Gotta love the river rock here. Beautiful work on this home. Welcome in. And let's step in and take a look around. Super high ceilings, beautiful flooring. Start over here. This is the den currently being used as a bedroom. There is no closet in there, and everything in here is digital and automatic and extremely upgraded. The house is super energy efficient. It's holding a very nice temperature. It's nice and cool in here. Got this large living room with a built-in fireplace, and 2 of the bedrooms are down that hallway. And then you got this huge kitchen dining room area. Beautiful cabinetry in here. Nice lights. Everything is just extremely updated. Granite countertops. Gas stove. Huge sink. Built-in dishwasher. Refrigerator. Take a look at the master bedroom here. Huge bedroom. And the master bath has double walk-in closets and commodes over there, again with the quartz countertops. Huge closets, 2 of those. Walk-in shower, soak-in tub. Here. Take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. Yeah, let's take a peek out back. Very nice open yard. This could easily be screened in, put a pool out here. It's all fenced all the way around. That's the access from that dining room area. Very cool fireplace. And the guest bathroom. Beautiful countertops again, same throughout the house. Walk-in shower. And guest bedroom. Again, vaulted ceilings. Beautiful flooring throughout. And every room has these giant walk-in closets. Back through the living room here. And the other guest bedroom. And this one's not quite as large, but it's still a good size. So again, I'm in Rolling Hills. This is going on the market today for $650,000. It's about 3,000 square foot, 3 or 4 bedroom, 2-bath, and absolutely amazing. So give us a call and come check this one out. We'll see you on the next one.